Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't uploaded any videos for 3 months, but anyway, today we're going to unbox a gadget. It's this one. This is called the AirFly Pro. This is basically a Bluetooth transmitter, and you might think, why do I buy a USB transmitter? Because I want to use my AirPods on my iPod, which doesn't support Bluetooth, so that's why I bought this AirFly Pro. So there's two other models, just the base model AirFly, and there's one called AirFly Duo. There's a little difference between them. This one can not only be used as a transmitter, it can also be a receiver, Bluetooth receiver. So yeah, so that's the reason I get this. You can connect wireless headphones to any wired headphone jack. Pair two sets headphones at once for shared listening. The Duo can also do this, but the Duo doesn't have the receiver function. So you can send music from your phone to the aux in your car or boat. Built-in battery lasts more than 25 hours and recharge via USB-C. So yeah, there's nothing really much to introduce. So let's just open this up. I think. Okay, so here's your AirFly Pro. Let's see what's else is inside it. It got this little pocket. Let's see what's inside. Oh, the owner's guide. And it's basically telling you how to pair your headphones. This is the shortest USB-C cable I've ever seen. It's like 20 cm. Does it even have 20 cm? I think 15 cm. This is the shortest USB-C I've ever seen. Okay. This quick start. So and turn off AirFly Pro. Okay. So let's take a look at the product itself. The AirFly Pro even got a little keychain right here. When you don't use when you can just like put somewhere. I don't know. So let's see, how do we turn this thing on. We need the guide for this. To begin, turn on AirFly Pro. Press and hold the power button for 4 seconds. It will rapidly blink amber and white to indicate its pairing mode. Okay, let's get my AirPods first. Where's my AirPods? This is my new AirPods Pro 2 that I made a unboxing video that I forgot to upload it. Also, you can like put it right here. You can like yeah, I'll try that too. Okay, so press this button. Turn it on. One. Oh, it's on. Yeah, it's blinking. And then if you have AirPods, put them into pairing mode and hold the button on the back in the case. Yeah, I think I have to open it. It starts blinking. Until status. Until what? So are these connected? Oh, it somehow connected. Okay, so let's try if this works. let's connect it to my iPod. Let's turn this on. Okay, let's play some Taylor Swift. Okay, so I got AirPods right here. I know it would be copyright strike, so you won't hear anything. So let's find. I bought Speak Now, so kids never pirate albums or songs. I bought it. So let's play my favorite. Oh, it's actually working. Oh. Yeah, I can hear the music. Finally. On my using an iPod with an AirPod, this might be the most funniest thing ever. But although it looks pretty weird when you like take this thing out, but yeah. And I think that's much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I think I would recommend this to you if you have an iPod and you want to use it on Bluetooth. Any Bluetooth, headphones or Bluetooth speakers. I think I would recommend you to buy this AirFly Pro. But if you are not you don't need to use the receiver function. You can get the Duo AirFly Duo because it also supports 2 pairs of Bluetooth headphones. It has I think the same battery life. So yeah, if you don't really need the receiver function, get the Duo. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Come on, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. By next time, I mean like 10 months later. So yeah, bye.